Welcome back, guys. So in this video, we're going to be talking about CSS styling attributes and custom attributes. So let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to be doing here is create our file. We're going to be naming it styling attributes .html. So let's do our shortcut. Let's rename the title to styling attributes. So let's get right into this. So we're going to be using anchor tag as an example for this. So let's add our href for our link. Let's say let's do visit Google. Google for more. Good. So now we have this. Let's run this and see what it looks like. Good. So this is what it looks like right now. Let's copy Google link for our practice purpose. So we're going to go back here and add our link here. Good. So the next thing, we're going to be adding attributes, other attributes to this. One is the target, blank. Let's duplicate this so we can add more attributes. So we're going to add changes to underscore top. Now the top. Let's leave this like this. So now let's go into styling. We're going to be using our internal styling to do this. So we're going to target by tag name, and we're going to use the tag name to target the attributes. So anchor tag. We're going to use the brackets. So we'll do target, then curly braces. So this will target all the attributes called target in the anchor tag. So let's add background color, pink. So let's see what it looks like. I'm going to run this again. Good. You can see that. So it's targeted all of them because we have targets in all our tags here currently. You can actually change the color itself to maybe gray. You can see that's looking fine. Apart from this, you can decide to target by the exact value in our target. So either by blank, underscore blank, or the top. So if I want to do that, all I need to do is equals to, then I'll do blank. So if I do this, so it will only target the ones that have the blank value. If I want the other one, which is the top, I can actually change this to top. Let's close this properly. You can see that. So you can toggle with it as you want. So the next one we're going to be using now, we're going to be using the input tag to target more attributes. So let's use the placeholder and enter your name. Good. So imagine that you are working with an input and you need the placeholder to look different. You want to add a color to it. So let's see how we can do that. So you use your input, use your column, double column, then your placeholder, curly braces. You can now select what property and value you want to add to this. So you want to change the color to blue. Let's use another one with purple. Whatever color you desire. You can see that I've changed, looking nice. You can add background color if you care to. Background color, any value at all you want to, any property and value you want to use. So using this one, you can see it's reflected here. Apart from the placeholder, I can also target the text. That's what the user is going to be inputting inside. So we're going to do input. We're going to do input type. So we'll do equals to the text. And curly braces. So let's change the color of the user's input. Let's say I want the user's input to be red. So let's start typing. You can see that. If I do tech, my input's color is now red. So that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Take care.